لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله ما لنا رب سوى لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله.
This elocution competition is the third one. Naturally, some institute will be the winner. This big prize will go to one single institute that will be the winner institute of the third Inter-DELL National Elocution Competition. And that winner is decided by the combined numbers or marks of the three participants from that particular institute. So together, the whole numbers goes and that institute becomes winner. Inshallah, from the next year we are going to have one more prize, large prize, that would be the runner-up prize for the institute. There are three, first, second and third, three winners, and these are individual winners that would be decided by their individual performances. In this competition, judges are everything, and they have given their precious time. We salute you all. You are very, very special people in your field. Someone is coming from Durban, and Dr. Saab is there from Maulana Azad University. That they have been painstakingly doing their work. And brother is from a media fraternity, and he has put in his words. Brother Sayyid Muhammad Saab, we also salute your contribution for these things. They have given their numbers, and this is here. I am just opening it right now. We have nothing to do. I will not do anything, okay? Do not charge me. So they have given their numbers. We'll announce, and gradually, inshallah, the prizes will be distributed. The prizes, these trophies are sponsored by Ajmal Group of Companies. I should make this announcement. All the trophies and the prize items are sponsored by Ajmal Group of Companies. We thank Ajmal Group of Company. One of the directors is also sitting here. So though he does not know that it is sponsored by the Ajmal Group of Company. And Mezban of this program is Hazrat Maulana. So also, because I will not be coming again on that, and I will not go beyond my time, inshallah. So I have my time, and I also thank Maulana for wonderfully organizing this program. And inshallah, next program, I have, within that period of time, I have to announce the next host of the fourth Inter-DELL National Elocution Competition. So before I go to the prize distribution part, I would request humbly Master Shamsul Chaudhary Sahab and Maulana Qasmi Sahab and Mr. Al-Islam Sahab, please. Where are you? So he is quite far. Let him come here. So these three people will be, inshallah, the host of the next program in 2018. And they will accept it. They will come here, and let him come here. I should go with the prize distribution now. Should I go? Yes. Are you ready? From me, mashallah, everyone has performed very well. I am happy. Either whosoever wins, everyone is a winner for me. So you have put your efforts, and alhamdulillah, we are happy. Judges have given their numbers. I will go short. I will request all the three gentlemen to come here before the dice, and this mic is there. It is our format that you should accept it. Welcome the audience, that you are welcome to Assam next year, and this is you will be the host next year, inshallah. So these are the three gentlemen, Mr. Al-Islam, General Manager, Ajmal Foundation, Mohammad Qasmi, HOD, DELL, Jamia Jadariya Hujai Assam, and Mr. S.A. Chaudhary, Working President, Markazul. They will be the host next year. You have to do 3 verses.
मोहतरम, आज के ये प्रोग्राम के सदर साहब हमारे मरकजुल मारिफ के सदर हज़रत मौलाना बदरुद्दीन अजमल साहब, चीफ गेस्ट इंटरनेशनल लॉ कॉलेज के वीसी साहब और दूसरे डिजिग्नेटेड पर्सन्स और इतने सारे गेस्ट, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह के लाख लाख शुक्रिया। आज सुबह मीटिंग में जो तय हुआ है, नेक्स्ट जो एलोकेशन असम में होगा, मरकजुल मारिफ के एक इदारा है जिसके हमारे हज़रत मौलाना बदरुद्दीन अजमल साहब फाउंडर है, हम उनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं। अजमल फाउंडेशन का भी वो मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी है। हम तीनों ने, मौलाना परवेज साहब भी हमारे साथ में हैं, हम तीनों ने आप लोग सभी को वेलकम करते हैं इंशाअल्लाह आइंदा साल हमारे वहाँ करने के लिए।
थैंक यू। हमारे सदर मोहतरम और हमारे आज के मेहमान खुसूसी डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर फैज़ान मुस्तफ़ा साहब ने हमारे परफॉर्मेंसेस नहीं देते हैं। मौलाना कह भी रहता है कि हमें दो चार सुनाइए। हमने मौलाना से गुजारिश की है, क्योंकि हमने टाइम टेबल पहले से अनाउंस कर रखी है, जोहर भी पढ़नी है और कुछ खुसूसी हज़रात से हम लोगों को सुनना भी है। इनकी बातें हमें सुननी है। इतने दूर आए हैं हैदराबाद, तो हमें इन हज़रात की कुछ बातचीत भी सुननी है और डॉक्टर साहब भी यहाँ हैं, इसलिए हमने दोबारा रिपीट नहीं कर पाए हैं, हमारी मजबूरी है। लेकिन यह है कि आप हज़रात ने जो भी परफॉर्मेंस किए हैं, मैं मुख्तसरन ये करता हूँ, आप हज़रात से बोलता हूँ कि आप जल्द से जल्द कोशिश करें, जल्दी तो करें लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा ना हो कि लोगों को सामान देने में परेशानी हो। कैमरा भी है, थोड़ा ख्याल रखें, लाइव भी है, उसका भी आप हम ख्याल रखेंगे। प्राइजेज जो जिनका नाम लेंगे फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड पहले आएंगे, फिर विनर इंस्टीट्यूट के लोग आएंगे, सारे लोग आएंगे जो भी विनर इंस्टीट्यूट होगा, तो और उसके बाद सारे कम्प्लीमेंट्री अवार्ड्स दिए जाएंगे। सब लोग यहाँ आएंगे, लेंगे। अवार्ड्स में आपके एक बैग है, सर्टिफिकेट है, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड में कुछ कैश प्राइजेज है और ये ट्रॉफीज है। शुड आई गो? Wow. It's a reputation. As a reputation from last year performances, result is somewhat similar. It is ideal leaders and good governance. Ideal leaders and good governance is the topic, which on the couple number is NEC T 115. First position holder of this competition, Mahmudul Hassan of Gujarat. Come here. I would request our Honorable President to hand over the prize to Mahmudul Hassan. President, first prize, trophy. Sorry. This student aid from Islamic Studies Center, Ibrahim Bawani ITI, Kamala Nagar, Ajwa. He is from Barodara. So the first prize goes to Barodara, right? Jazakallah, mashallah. This is the first prize, and this institute won any prize for the first time, and they have won the first for the first time. That's the great thing. Okay, now second and third goes to, I'm going fast. Second and third goes to MMERC Mumbai. The second prize goes to Social Media Need and Responsibility, Fuzail Ahmad Qasmi, NEC T129. Fuzail Ahmad Qasmi, please come. Dr. Faidan Mustafa Sahab, please come here, sir. cash prize. Topic is social media need and responsibility. And third prize goes to Muhammad Yasir Sheikh. Muhammad Yasir Sheikh. Topic was triple talaq and Muslim facts versus myths. That part of the speech you have, alhamdulillah, listened. That the last speaker was that triple talaq and Muslim facts versus myths. The paper number is NECT 127. And I would request Maulana Khalid Saifullah Rahmani Saab to please hand over this prize to Maulana Yasir Sheikh Saab. Any guess for the winning institute? Huh? Any guess? Any guess? Loudly. Loudly. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. Vadodara is the winner institute of 2017 education competition. May I request the teacher of the Vadodara group who come across from Vadodara with the student and all the three participants to come on dais, and I would request Janab Faidar Mustafa Saab, Maulana Khalid Saifullah Saab, Hafiz Bashir Saab, Dr. Abdul Qadir Saab, Janab Iqbal Saab, engineer, to please stand up and hand over this prize to all the three students with their teacher. This is the 4-member group from Vadodara and they have won the prize.
Eastern Crescent is not just an English monthly but differs from others in many ways. It consists of well-researched articles, targets issues which seldom get the attention of the mainstream media, gives every issue its deserving place, answers the misconceptions about Islam and Muslims, acts aptly on its slogan, Alternative Media, People's Choice. For subscription and other details, please contact us on 022 2677 1618 or 022 2679 8538. You may also log on to www.easterncrescent.in.